Warning: stop using turmeric if you are in these 6 types of people following flax and wheatgrass. Turmeric is the 3rd best-selling botanical dietary supplement. Currently, sales are increasing at a rate of 20%. Curcumin is a natural plant product extracted from the turmeric root and is used commonly as a food additive, popular for its pleasant mild aroma and exotic yellow color. It is widely considered unlikely to cause side effects. However, just because something is natural doesn't mean it's not toxic. Strychnine is natural, cyanide is natural. Lead, mercury and plutonium are all elements, can't get more natural than that. But turmeric is just a plant. Surely plants can't be dangerous? It can't cause any substantial side effects, but many people while consuming it had problems with dizziness, nausea, diarrhea and stomach. However, if we combine high-dose curcumin with black pepper, resulting in a 2000% boost in bioavailability, it could be like consuming the equivalent of 29 cups of turmeric a day. This will result in increased blood levels as well as changes in the DNA in vitro. The following types of people shouldn't use turmeric. 1. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Women who are pregnant or they are breastfeeding should add turmeric into their meals, instead of taking turmeric supplements. It's not really safe for them to consume turmeric orally in amounts, which are commonly found in food. It can be unsafe when it's taken by mouth in medicinal amounts, during their pregnancy. Turmeric can put pregnancy at risk by supporting a menstrual period or stimulating the uterus. Turmeric could also lower the levels of testosterone and sperm movement in men, when it's taken orally. This might reduce men's fertility. If you are trying to be a dad, use turmeric cautiously. 2. People with gallstones. A recent study has shown that turmeric can cause some serious problems and pain in the gallbladder for people who suffer from gallstones. If you have these types of problems, you should avoid turmeric by any cost. But, curcumin actually protects the liver function and prevents gallstones by acting as a cholecystokinin agent, easing the function of the gallbladder by keeping the bile from stagnating. 3. People with biliary tract obstruction. Even though the curcumin found in turmeric is very helpful in helping the gallbladder to empty and reduces the risk of gallstone creating and the risk of gallbladder cancer, people who suffer from biliary tract obstructions should avoid and be very careful about consuming turmeric. 4. People who have kidney stones. People who consume turmeric in high amounts every day can increase the risk of developing kidney stones. Turmeric is rich in soluble oxalates. These soluble oxalates can easily attach to calcium and create insoluble calcium oxalate, which is responsible for almost 75% of all kidney stone problems. So, people who have the tendency to form kidney stones should be very careful and they should avoid consuming turmeric. They should put a limit of the consumption of total dietary oxalate. The limit should be less than 50 mg a day. 5. People with diabetes. People with diabetes should also be very careful with consuming turmeric. They can consume it, but in small amounts. This is because turmeric can lower the blood sugar levels, so people who suffer from diabetes will notice decreased blood sugar if they consume turmeric in high amounts. 6. People who should have a surgery. People who are about to have a surgery should stop consuming turmeric at least 3 weeks before the surgery. This is very important, because turmeric might slow down the blood clotting and cause some extra bleeding during and after the surgery.